It is almost 8 o'clock, and let's start it now. So let me check my. Oh, what's wrong? Okay. Here we go. Let's start it now. So just like I told you, today we're going to have a fully developed example, because yesterday I saw you suffering from developing your example. So here we go. A fully developed example. So I think it's when it comes to example, your task is to break down the topic sentence and also the reason that you have. Jadi reason and example you have on reason and topic sentence you have in the previous sentences should be broken down into the example. So here we go. Let me try this one. So here we go. Let's say, anggap saja ini adalah a topic sentence dan reason teman-teman. So the topic sentence is apparently working in a child age comes to an abrupt withdrawal social relationship. So the keyword is, teman-teman perlu pahami keywordnya adalah working in a child age. Okay, that's the keyword. And then dia abrupt. Abrupt itu negative statement. Okay, dan yang berikutnya adalah social relationship. So that's the keyword that you need to break down then. Okay, so working in a child's age, abrupt social relationship. Kemudian teman-teman nulis, why you say so? Ya, saya bilang seperti itu karena mereka busy dengan heavy workloads. So they will have problem with the social relationship because children will face busy day with heavy workloads. So that's the problem that you have. Okay, that's the keyword. And then later on, you need to break them down by asking 5W 1H. Or you may say that journalistic questions. If you want to make it this into detail, then you can use 5W 1H. You need to break down this one. Yang pertama, working child age. Then you have abrupt social relationship and heavy workloads. Busy day, heavy workloads. You need to break them down. Jadi 5W 1H. Here we go. So here we go. So I break them down. When? Ya terserah teman-teman ngarang-ngarang aja deh. Mau tahun berapa dan sebagainya. But sometimes this is always happen in the past. In the past or present. 2020 boleh, tapi tidak boleh 2021 karena belum terjadi. So where? Random aja deh. Kebetulan saya ingatnya Wuhan, ya udahlah saya tulis Wuhan aja. So Wuhan, China. How? Bagaimana dia bekerja? Spend their time working. Who? Otomatis subjek kita adalah child workers. Terus ngapain dia? Being alienated. Alienated itu terasing. Since they have to work in 40 hours timetable per week. Impact-nya adalah poor social life skills. So, kenapa ada 4 hours? Right? Because we're talking about busy day with heavy workloads. So the children spend their time working 40 hours, jadi 40 jam. So busy day. So social relationship, di mana social relationship? This is being alienated. Impact-nya poor social life skills. Okay, let's start it now again. So here we go. Yeah. Jadi ketika ini 5W 1H-nya dicampur, jadi dia muncullah yang di bawah. Teman-teman bisa baca. 2014 recent study show that almost all children, working as a paid labor in Beijing, China, Kalau di sini Wuhan berarti nanti saya lupa ganti. Nanti teman-teman bisa ganti di sini Wuhan. Oke. Have frequently felt a sense of alienation from peers around them since they have to work in a 40 hours timetable per week and this results in poor social interaction. This is I call a fully developed example because we break them down into small chunks what we have an introduction what we have in a topic sentence and what we have in a reason. Kalau mereka gabung dalam satu sentence, dalam satu paragraf seperti ini. Jadi ini body paragrafnya, silakan dibaca, dilihat-lihat dulu. This is the topic sentence you have. Okay. Apparently, working in a child age comes to an abrupt withdrawal with social relationship. Okay. Jadi kata kuncinya one more again. This is social relationship. This is. Okay, good. Kemudian, so follow by reason. Reasonnya can be one sentence, can be two sentences. Busy day, work heavy, this is the keyword. And all keywords are broken down into small chunks. Jadi ini dia example-nya. Sip. Silakan teman-teman baca dulu. This is ada 40 hours timetable. Ini namanya busy. So, let me break down. So this is for the red one. Silakan teman-teman baca dulu. This is busy day with a heavy load. So busy day-nya kenapa? Ini ada tulisan working 40 hours per week. Dia busy karena dia working 4 hours a week. Right? And then di sini ada abrupt social relationship. Let me check it. Then di sini teman-teman ada Oke. Nyala. So silakan dilihat dulu teman-teman. So we drop abrupt here, and also you have social relationship here. So broken down into feel, alienation. Do you know alienation? Alienation is terasingkan. So abrupt social relationship, and this is ada poor social interaction. So this is the way you break down. So when it comes to your example, everyone. So please ask me questions before we start moving on to the next exercise. Jadi tugas kawan-kawan break down the idea that we have into 5W1H.
So, sir, karena saya baru gabung, ini tadi maksudnya yang apa? Journalistic questions.
5W1H.
Iya. Berarti itu kita bisa make up the story for the example.
Make up the story. If we don't have any idea, so our task is to make up the story, Miss. Oke,
jadi di atasnya ini, di atas example yang dimulai dari apparently itu body paragraph.
Yes, that's the body. That is the how we call the topic sentence. This is topic sentence. This is your topic sentence, and this is your reason.
Oh, terus
Example.
di bawahnya kita make up di example berdasarkan ini dari body paragraph.
Dari introduction, yes. Dari topic sentence and reason you have.
Oke, sir.
Okay, so let me move back again. Here we go. Buat teman-teman yang baru datang. Jadi this is the topic sentence we have. Topic sentence, nih teman-teman punya topic sentence, and teman-teman punya reason. So how you write example? You need to asking 5W1H. So more tidak perlu 5W1H, but at least you have when, where, why, and what. Seperti itu, tidak perlu juga lengkap. So let's start it now. Here we go. Okay. So teman-teman bisa tanya, when? 2014. Where? Wuhan, China. How? Spend time working. Who? Of course, topik kita adalah children. What? Being alienated since they have to work dan sebagainya. Result, poor social life skills. Ini tidak ada why-nya, but it's fine. Karena ini sudah mengcover. Next. Ketika teman-teman sudah membuat 5W1H, then your task is to write them into sentences. Ya, teman-teman tulisnya ke dalam bentuk sentences. And ITR yang di bawahnya. Oke. Jadi seperti itu. Setelah teman-teman sudah selesai, you need to break them down, you need to move them into whole paragraph. Jadi seperti ini. Udah. Because sometimes when it comes to example, it is hard to write the example. So let me give you an example ya. Contoh yang lainnya, problem terbesar adalah, here we go. Ntar aku tunjukkan. Ini misalnya. Coba teman-teman lihat. Topik sentence-nya adalah particularly dire effect developments in technology has been automation. Pahami dulu baik-baik. Ini adalah negatif or positif? Kalau ada dire itu adalah negatif. Oke, jadi then you write particularly dire effect sama dengan bad effect. Development technology has been automation. Oke, kemudian masuk reasonnya. Many everyday practice now perform machine instead of people. This has result less need for labor. Oke, good. Kemudian masuk example. Increase automation means business and less staff. Ini tidak begitu bagus. Kenapa? Karena dia tidak breakdown what automation here. Dia hanya mengulang automation yang ada di topic sentence. Automation itu sama dengan robot. Jadi teman-teman breakdown robot apa? Teknologi robot apa? Kira-kira yang memberikan efek. Oke. Sehingga kita people itu tergantikan dengan machine. Itu you thinking kira-kira apa ya? Dan itu bisa didapatkan di everyday practices. Itu kira-kira apa ya? Mesin yang bisa mereplace kita manusia sehingga kita hanya butuh sedikit pekerja. Itu teman-teman breakdown. Apa kira-kira nama mesinnya?
Copy mesin.
Kopi?
Ya, yeah.
Mesin, coffee machine. Oke, thank you.
Coffee machine.
Coffee machine mereplace apa? Karena ada kata replace.
Mobility.
Excuse
me?
We
just need human mobility. So we just need to sit down in our table. We don't need to move to another table, or we don't need to ask someone to do it.
Okay, can be, right? Itu bisa. Okay, that's good. Coffee technology. Okay, because this is everyday practices. Bisa. Jadi semuanya the machine. Apalagi teman-teman yang lain?
Cleaning robots.
Yeah, cleaning robots.
Robots, yeah. Like the robots produced by Japan's technology.
Good. Dia mereplace cleaning service.
Yes.
Okay, dia mereplace cleaning service di kantor. Okay, that's great. This is the example. Teman-teman yang lain, thinking technology, robot dan
conveyor, Mister.
Conveyor replace, menggantikan siapa humannya? Labor.
Factory.
Okay, that's great. Jadi kita tidak perlu membutuhkan itu lagi. Mr. Azam, apa
Bensin,
automationnya?
Mister.
Yes?
Bensin, isi bensin apa sih namanya?
Apa isi bensin? Robotnya, Miss. Karena kita bicara automation. Automation is robot.
Mesin. Kan kita ngisi. Udah sekarang ada yang nggak ngisi sendiri.
Oh, berarti apa tuh? You thinking. Apa namanya? Karena saya belum ketemu. Waktu kemarin saya tuh masih ngisi sendiri. Oh, oke.
Di sini
Artinya-
ada yang udah isi sendiri, ada yang harus isi sendiri gitu.
Oke ya, ini saya share di grup chatting. Setelah saya share di grup chatting, nanti teman-teman bikin 5W 1H, tidak perlu 5W 1H. At least you break them down into small chunks.
Mister, I have a question.
Yes.
For the first example, this is the second one, right?
Yes.
The first, that kind of example, like we have to mention the, what is that? Tahun, tanggal, dan yang pokoknya yang seperti itu, Mister. Data.
Ya.
Yang kayak data. Itu kalau misalnya nggak real, if we don't mention the real one, it's okay.
It's fine. It's okay. If you do not mention the real one. This is we call markup. Kita ngarang sekarang.
Oh.
Tapi ngarangnya perlu relevan dengan topik, sentence, dan reason yang kita punya. Miss Yo. Ini kan kita punya nih. Topik, sentence, dan reason itu perlu coherence. Oke. Misalnya kayak social relationship kayak gimana? Social relationship ini dia terasing dari temannya. Oke.
Enggak, maksud saya yang kayak gininya. Cinanya, terus
Ya,
40 hour-nya, terus tahunnya. Kita ngarang nggak apa-apa ya?
Ngarang aja.
Oke.
Ngarang aja ya. Pada saat teman-teman ngarang, hati-hati tenses. Oke. Tensesnya. Nanti teman-teman breakdown dulu. Breakdown. I want to see how you break down them. Di breakdown kayak begini nih. Setelah teman-teman breakdown, kemudian teman-teman tuliskan paragrafnya dan I will check it. You need to break down them here. Kemudian teman-teman tuliskan paragrafnya. Sampel yang tadi sudah saya kirim via chat room. Jadi teman-teman bisa cek di chat roomnya. Aku udah kirim di chat room. Topik
masih soal child workers ya, Sir?
Yes. Monggo, Miss. Ya. No, bukan child worker. Kita pindah ke yang
tadi.
Yes. Ini aku sudah kirimkan. Jadi ini example-nya tidak begitu bagus. Tugas teman-teman menggantikan example-nya. Tulisan ini ada di chat room. Teman-teman bisa lihat chat room. I just send it. Ini teman-teman ganti. Ganti example-nya. Example-nya is not good enough. Oke. Nanti kirim di chat room. And I will come to you. Hello, Mr. Izan. Nice to have you here.
Hello, Mister.
Hello. Oke, silakan ditulis,
Good
Mister ya.
morning.
Good morning. Silakan ditulis ya, baru nanti kirim ke chat room ya.
Of course.
Kirim ke chat room ya.
Yes.
Yes, you don't need to think of the grammar. Your task is to break down as the example.
Okay.
Oke. Langsung Mr. Anjar langsung develop into sentences, sir. You have Japan 2000 labor, kemudian apa development of this technology with automatic control.
Okay,
Oke,
sorry.
replace. Ya, langsung aja,
I
sir.
think, yeah, okay.
Send it to me langsung Mr. susun menjadi sentences ya.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, good. Hello, Miss Elsa. Elsa ini ngayal ya. Hello, Miss Elsa. Hello, Miss Siska. Sudah ada yang mengirimkan saya. Silakan teman-teman cek chat room-nya. Saya sudah mengirimkan di sana. Oke, silakan dicek chat room-nya.
I've sent you one example.
Oh, you send me. Okay, good. Okay.
Maybe there's something wrong with the
Japan.
grammar.
It's okay. Japan was very first country that introduced cleaning robot in 1900 replace human cleaning service. Okay. And then this results in firing for millions cleaning services because the energy were no longer needed. Good. Let me take it. This one. Okay. Replace for human cleaning service. Ada yang missing. How they do? How the cleaning robot? If you could, then much better. If you can describe a little bit how, Miss.
Also, I have to add how.
Yeah, how the cleaning robots working?
Oh, okay.
Oke ya, mungkin
We'll
bagusnya.
revise it.
Oke, sip. Tinggal sedikit lagi. Oke, satu sentence, 1, 2, 3 phrases. Oke, how? Oke, ada yang mengirimkan saya. Miss Francie. Wait, I'll take it. Tunggu saya ambil dulu. Kemudian saya. Oke, wait. Thank you. I'll come and check in. Oke. Oke.
Mister punya
Yap.
punya tips nggak kalau buat sentence bisa bagus gitu, caranya gimana ya? Maksudnya kata-katanya itu bisa indah gitu loh. Kalau aku baca punya Mister gitu soalnya. Kadang kita nggak membayangkan sampai ke sana. Maksudnya sama, cuman kata-katanya itu indah.
Sepertinya saya sudah mengirimkan PDF. Isi PDF itu adalah sentences, kalimat-kalimat yang berhubungan dengan topik-topik yang ada. Nah, saya itu kalau nulis, saya ambil kalimat-kalimat dari situ, saya comot. Oke, saya comot kalimat-kalimat yang ada di situ. Atau nanti Miss masuk ke scale.
Bukan istilahnya loh, Mister. Maksud saya itu bukan keywordnya bukan, tapi susunan kata-katanya kayak conjunction-nya punyanya Mister itu beda gitu.
Oke.
Saya beda.
Nanti saya akan kirimkan ada 25 type sentences yang bisa dibolak-balik. Nanti Miss tinggal lihat aja ya, 25 sentence type. Ingatkan saya setelah kelas ya.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's discuss this to your writing. Okay. Discuss dulu Miss Francie nih. Miss Francie, can you read yours ya? Bisa dibaca ya? Di sana kan punya Miss Francie nih. For example, since early 2000, ini koma lagi. Bagus kan, Miss? You need to put comma here. Okay. The invention of conveyor machines has given. Karena dia since di sini berarti tensesnya has given. Okay. Has given. Nah, tenses. A deep contact to. Not to, tapi Miss ganti ke on. Okay. In many factory. The analytical data illustrates that this machine has reduced almost 40% labor yang dibutuhkan according to the recent for effectiveness and so yang belum saya lihat adalah how they work, bagaimana labor ini especially in Indonesia impact less great, but I think it's fine. Udah cukup ini, right? So if you want to add some additional information, then you can see how this give impact. But it's fine kalau sudah cukup sampai di sini, is fine karena udah panjang. Siapa lagi di sini? Miss Elsa ya. Miss Elsa, you come first, Miss Elsa. Sambil ini punya saya, silakan nanti saya akan kirim ke Miss Francie untuk baca. Sambil you baca bentar Miss Francie. I will send it to you karena you sudah selesai. Silakan baca sampel saya. Sambil saya lihat punya Miss Elsa. Miss Elsa terlalu pendek, Miss Elsa.
Oke, sir.
But let me check it. Aku akan. Okay, here we go. The developments of automatic iron machine and washing machine 2010 by Europe companies are di sini karena you menggunakan in development. Ini kayaknya dicoret supaya tesisnya nggak berubah. Jadi di sini you tulis 2015 developments is now replaced. Sorry. Is now replaced housemate because both automation work automatically by pressing the button and waiting for a while for the results. This is right. This is that you need to do that.
Okay.
Okay. Elsa mana Elsa? Silakan you baca ini dan compare dengan kira-kira apa yang perlu diimprove. Barusan saya kirim Elsa. And now let's moving on to Mr. Anjar. Mr. Anjar. Development of sophisticated technology. Okay. Development pakai D, Mr. Rio. Sophisticated, Mr. Anjar ini pakai D di sini. Sophisticated. Okay. In Japan, it's a year. Nggak usah pakai year.
Okay, sir.
Has made decrease of workers hiring in many factories as automation like copy machines with Wi-Fi base taken over. Jadi ini as automation like copy machine has taken over the group. Sini koma Mr. Anjar. For some
Okay,
workers. Pakai S di sini. This
Okay.
technology is possible to the worker. Pakai S.
Sit down.
To to make the worker just sit down in the chair, wait until finish, wait the process until
Okay.
it
Finish.
until finish it. So this broad assistance manual procedures by human.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Dulu. Oke, aku akan kirimkan dan I want you to read. Compare this to your writing, Mr. Anjar. Okay, I just send you, Mr. Anjar. Now, setelah Mr. Anjar masuk ke Mrs. K, please write in a paragraph. Disusun aja itu Mrs. K menjadi paragraf. Elsa udah, Lamia sekarang ya, Lamia. Miau. In South Korea, since 2010, a company has employed 20 people to carry out subjects from point A to point B. Okay, this company gets a machine to run from point A to point B. This company will only need one person to operate. Oh, okay, di sini ada since, Miss.
Okay.
Since this company has developed a machine to run diganti supaya nggak berulang. To complete the work, okay. The company only needs one person to operate the machine. Koma di sini. And the same work is supposed to be done while the same work. Di sini while the same work is supposed to be done by several people has changed. But which is supposed can be done only one person. Writing down. Okay, that's the grammar. Okay, so I just make the grammar, right? So then I will send it to you. Read and compare this to you. Mana Mia ya? Oke, ya. Oke, that's the barusan saya kirim. Silakan compare dengan writing Mr. Azam. Habis itu Anjar Mr. Tri. The current absurd the childhood lah. We don't talk about child labor. So we talk about machine, Mr. Tri. I think you misunderstood the answer. Yeah.
I think it's the previous sample.
No, you need to. Yeah, but it's okay. Let me work with this one. Child labors by ages. In Japan spends more. Di sini spend. Di sini spend 100 hours a week in the workplace due to this result, comma. The government altered the funding. Oh, okay. You talk about alter vending machine. Okay, good. Bisa. Okay, saya tidak lihat tadi yang pertama. Okay, you combine them. Good. Due to this result, rising employment, rising more employment. Okay. So government has altered to the vending automation and robotic. I think it's robotic worker much better. Okay.
Yes,
but you need to describe how the robotic workers working here. So because I think how bagusnya kalau you need to make a how. Thank you. Now let's move into sekarang saya ke Mr. Azam. Okay, good. Past few years in America, so in the USA. Jadi aku ganti ya misalnya in the USA, self-driving car become trend. Karena you have a past few years, we couldn't even over the past. Misalnya over ya. Jadi over the past few years, So di sini has become a trending. Okay, a trend has become a trend. Followed by the succeed. No, this is supposed to be noun. Sukses of Tesla marketing karena dia nama pasti pakai huruf besar yo. Success of Tesla marketing action. Okay. On the other hand, this is tidak kontras. Ini bukan on the other hand karena dia tidak kontras, dia impact. What is affecting the losing jobs opportunities especially for driver private. So if you could, kalau bisa, bagusnya you need to describe satu sentence lagi tentang how, bagaimana self-driving working. This one, right? Then you can say that the car can be run without apa, because you need to add 1 or 2 sentences. But overall is good. Kalau sudah mau sampai sini is fine. Sudah ya. So please read mine. Di mana Azam. So please read mine and compare with yours, right? Oke, sekarang ada Siska. Teman-teman masih bisa ditambahkan how-nya. In Indonesia, since 1990, some banks has, bukan has, Miss Siska, tapi have, you know. Okay, introduce ATM, good for saving up the taking out the money without needing to go to a bank in working hours, because this ATM unemployment, good, unemployment, the number of unemployment you tambahkan di sini, the number of unemployment rate ditambahkan range, okay, is rise in Indonesia due to this automation. Good. Okay. Masih bisa mungkin sekali tambahkan sedikit how, but if you think that you are okay for this one, it's fine. Masih bisa di breakdown. Oke. Sepertinya aku tunggu dari Miss apa yang belum, Mr. Ihsan, ya, thank you. Ihsan. Sorry, sekarang saya buka yang baru. The developments of conveyor in Korea has changed the method of production. Okay, in the first 2000 years, 2000 ini dicoret aja ya. In the first tahun 2000, many people use it, bukan use their hands to move the raw material to another place. But now, di sini bukan titik Mr. Hisan, tapi koma, baru you tulis but. Okay, many companies, but now, kayaknya kita ganti 2020 aja ya, karena you bilangnya now. Many companies, good. Many companies uses automation to help their production. This technology is possible to replace the labor in the company, so decreasing persons can be happen. Ini contoh yang bagus, teman-teman punya Mr. Ihsan, karena dia berbicara tentang caranya. Many people use their hands to move the raw material in another place. This is we call how. How-nya Mr. Ihsan. Thank you very much, Mr. Ihsan. To show us very good example, ya. Aku tunggu Miss Fitri. Sorry, kelewat tadi Miss Fitri. Miss Fitri. Japan was very first country that introduced cleaning robots in 1990 to replace human for cleaning. allowing them to create many rooms. So this result in firing of millions cleaning service because the service were no longer suit. Very good, Miss Fitri. Sorry, I miss yours, but very good.
Thank you.
You can explain it very clearly. This is that I want you to do so. Oke, here we go. Sudah semua ya. Thank you very much, guys. Aku juga sudah mengirimkan check your. So here we go. So this is the example that you can work with. Oke, jadi teman-teman bisa main ke sampelnya. Oke. So then you can see bank nearly all over last few decades replaced. Kemudian how-nya apa? Using switchboards and ATM, people do not need to visit the bank. And you can read this one, for example, in recent years, in recent decades, nearly all major banks have replaced telephone operator with telephone switchboard. Caranya seperti apa? Caranya adalah have recorded messages. And all banks have now automated teller machine. And these have reduced the need of bank, resulted, dan sebagainya. Sip. Itu aja. So, saya sudah kirim ke kawan-kawan. And then, kalau teman-teman lihat, ada di bawah ini. Ini adalah impact. Kita belum belajar impact, nanti I will tell you again. Impact, we just focus on the example. This is the impact that we have. So later on, I will tell you, we will discuss how develop the impact, the implication. So the implications of this one. Okay? So saya kasih tugas baru ya ke teman-teman ya. So is it okay if I give you 2 tasks?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the task is now, karena kemarin kita sudah belajar introduction, kita sudah belajar, yes betul, kita sudah belajar introduction, sudah belajar topic sentence. I break down topic sentence into topic sentence sendiri, reason, and then the example. Okay. Oke. Ini tugas kawan-kawan, bikin intronya, introduction. Okay, and one body paragraph with fully developed example. Okay. The rise in the internet has changed people's life. Okay. Sorry. To what extent do you agree? To what extent do you agree? Okay. Okay. Silakan teman-teman bikin introduction. One body paragraph with fully developed example. Silakan teman-teman bikin and give it, send it to me once you are done. Berarti tugasmu perlu breakdown siapa people-nya di sini. Oke, jangan tulis people lagi. You need to break down workers, students, housewife, okay, housewife, house husband, okay, and apalagi ya, students, worker, house husband, housewife, seller, alright. Oke. Introduction-nya, kalau bisa, yang sudah belajar, yang belum belajar, nanti saya akan kirimkan PDF-nya. Yang sudah belajar, bikin yang indirect thesis, you know.
Yes.
Indirect thesis. Kalau yang sudah adalah indirect intro.
Ini kita buat apa dulu ya, Mister?
Buat introduction, Miss buat introduction. Pada saat Miss buat introduction, nanti bikin indirect thesis. Indirect thesis. Setelah itu baru Miss nanti bikin body paragraph. Satu body paragraph dengan fully developed example. Oke. Soalnya adalah ini. Fully developed example. Bagi yang sudah belajar indirect thesis, silakan bikin indirect thesis. Bagi yang belum, nulis biasa aja. Nanti akan saya kirimkan PDF-nya. Then you need to break down, so what you want to say about the internet. Oke, good. Nanti huruf internetnya, huruf besar Miss Fitri, huruf I-nya. Khusus untuk huruf I
Oh,
itu
oke,
iya,
sir.
huruf besar. Oke, good. Udah oke. Berarti Miss nanti akan bicara tentang working productivity, workers apa itu? Kemudian productivity-nya kayak bagaimana, dan internet connection. Berarti you will talk about Wi-Fi. Jadi
Yes.
nanti di example-nya jangan lagi internet, but Wi-Fi.
Oh,
Good.
oke, sir.
Good, thank you. Keep going. Teman-teman yang lain. Aku kasih lihat punyanya Miss Fitri. Ini punya Miss Fitri. Intronya. Ini punya intronya Miss Fitri. Ini internetnya pakai huruf besar. More or less seperti ini. Sorry. Kenapa? More or less seperti ini. Ini intro. Nah, introduction-nya. Right? Dan di sini sangat jelas, has changed people life. Jadi Miss Fitri sudah has changed people life, dia menggunakan working from home. Kita punya bahasa lain selain working from home adalah teleworking. Kalau teman-teman mau menggunakan teleworking. Ini bahasanya selain working from home can be changed into teleworking. Vocabulary-nya. Teleworking. Itu sudah ada contoh introduction saya kasih di atas. Saya tinggal dulu ya, HP ku lowbat. Saya mau ambil charger. So you don't need to think of the grammar. Nanti biar saya yang perbaiki grammarnya. So your task is to write them completely. Okay. Mr. Tree, you send me this one. Mr. Tree, you lupa nulis agree-nya, Mr. Tree.
Oh yes, sir. Yes, I forgot.
Mrs. K juga lupa tulis agree-nya. Do you agree or disagree untuk kalimat intro, Mrs. K? Jadi you perlu tulis agree sama disagree-nya dulu. Mrs. K, are you there? Kalimat paragraf pertama, Mrs. K lupa tulis agree disagree-nya. Mrs. K ubah. Okay, I will take yours, Mrs. K. Thank you, Mrs. K. Saya akan working with yours. I do believe. Kamu coba tuliskan. I do believe spellingmu, Mrs. K. Cek. Spelling di sini nih. Ini isi akses. Di sini pakai artikel N. Oke. Internet itu pakai huruf besar I-nya, yo. Nah, oke. Di mana-mana internet huruf besar I-nya. Internet, ini saya changes young people behaviors. Di sini you check. Oke. And routine in a good ways. This train kurang S. In a good ways, ini you coret S-nya, A-nya. will change other system of communication in the future. Good. Oke. Tidak usah pakai nowadays. Ini kita coret aja. The availability masuk. Kemudian ini pakai artikel D. Kemudian huruf besar. Connection, internet connection for young people, easy to access, exchange people behavior. Terlalu mirip. Ini agak challenge for you, Mrs. K. Nih. Ini people behavior. Oke. Di sini. Kayaknya terbalik. People behavior itu di atas, kemudian yang ke bawah. Oke, jadi ini kita change. Ini saya coret. Di sini baru you ganti youngster. Oke, karena people general. Oke. Youngsters. So, has changed how behavior you ganti. Is how youngsters behave. Jadi tidak terlalu mirip. Oke. Di sini. Jangan dulu keburu-buru masuk for example, Miss. Tugasmu adalah bikin reason dulu. You kasih reason. Kenapa sih you bilang kayak gitu? Why? You say this. Oke, Miss bikin reason dulu. Jangan buru-buru masuk ke example. Oke? Mrs. K, seperti itu ya. Masuk ke reason. Nah, reason kira-kira reasonnya apa? For Indonesia young people tidak perlu. You pilih salah satunya. Young people apa millennials? Millennials saja ya. Supaya nggak tabrak-tabrakan millennials. Millennials, okay, millennials prefer using the mobile phone with the internet connection. Jangan lagi internet connection. Karena dia 2 kali di sini. Berarti you perlu change. Oke. Seperti itu. Same. You need to change them. Internet connection here you need to change. Oke. Supaya tidak berulang, Mrs. K. And then, setelah itu make their work spellingmu. Their work easier. No. Di sini ada kata easy. Tugasmu adalah bagaimana you define easier. Easy bagaimana menurutmu easy? Easy itu misalnya begini. Kalau dia tidak menggunakan laptop, kerjaannya mungkin 2 hari. Tapi kalau dia menggunakan laptop dan wifi, dia bisa menyelesaikan dalam waktu 2 jam. This is I call easy. Okay? You need to break this down. Okay, Mrs. Kaya? So, besides that, these adults, many information type they need information service then easy to share. So how they easy to share? With simple click. With one simple click. Jadi simple click isinya. Tidak perlu lagi dikirim via post dan sebagainya. Berarti isinya you break down with one simple click, right? Oke. Okay. Karena dia berbicara tentang laptop, informasi apa yang dia butuhkan. Kalau students, dia informasi yang dibutuhkan adalah misalnya making journal, find journal. Kalau workers mungkin find apa. Jadi you need to write this one, right? This Mrs. Kaya. Nanti kamu kirimkan ke saya, nanti Mrs. Kaya kirim ke saya via Japri aja. Oke, thank you. Siapa yang sudah? Ada Mr. Tri. Kemudian saya ambil Mr. Tri turun ke bawah sampai Miss Francie. Supaya cepat. Okay. This is for Mr. Tri. Internet has been transferred for household ordering some food. That is too specific. Nanti kalau Mr. Tri menulis simply click the application, nanti example-nya kayak gimana? Ini sudah spesifik sekali.
Yes.
Oh ya, berarti ini to change. Ini terlalu spesifik to be introduction. Okay? You need to change this one.
Yes, sir.
Karena tugasnya adalah paraphrase ini doang. Aku ambil Limia. Limia. I agree. Using internet connection study from change students, this trend will change over the system learning. Oke, bisa nanti. Oke. Nanti silakan dilanjut. So, Miss Francie, aku ambil punyamu. Miss Francie, this is introduction or introduction? Jangan terlalu panjang. Introduction-nya. Ini dicoret aja. Oke. Introduction itu kita hanya memparaphrase yang ini. Nih, sama introduction dia hanya paraphrase the rise the internet has changed the people life. Tidak perlu masuk countries. Ini nanti masuk di body paragraph. So, yes, ini masuk ke body paragraph.
Itu karena saya coba cari yang kemarin biru sama merah itu, Mister. Bukan ya?
Iya, sebentar. Admittedly, the global listeners impact. Kalau coba, let me give you an example. Ini adalah rise technology. Berarti ini, Miss, aku ubah warnanya dulu ya, supaya kita gampang. Oke. Aku mencari yang ini, internet people life. So, berarti ini the internet has deep impact. Ini adalah yang warna
biru.
Terus ini education apa?
Itu mau saya kecilkan jadi nggak terlalu general.
Berarti ini yang masuk ke definisi people life, right?
Yes.
Oke, berarti ini yang idenya. Yang merah. So, berarti ini Miss hapus saja. Karena yang merah sudah ada. See? Berarti ini Miss hapus. Kalau saya saran ini dihapus, kemudian ini yang masuk. Nanti di awal. Jadi bisa tulis kayak gini. While the alterations of education method and easy getting education despite schools, is results of apa? Of the rise in the internet. Baru masuk sini. I agree that this internet di paraphrase menjadi apa? I agree that this technology atau this invention has made some changes. Sip. Jadi idenya Miss yang di atas nih. You want to talk about alteration education, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's the idea that you have. Thank you. Aku isi ini, jadi more or less seperti ini. Oke, siapa yang kirim ini? Saya. Okay, guys. Sorry to interrupt you. I think it's already 9. I need to stop the class. Yang belum saya discuss, Mr. Anjar. Mr. Anjar, kopi dulu, sir. Kopi.
Wait. Yes,
aku kopi juga nih. Aku kopi nih. Sini punyamu. Mr. Anjar, kah? Teman-teman yang lain nanti kirim ke saya personally. Then I will give you feedback.
Mister, punya saya bisa di copy nggak, Mister?
Aku
yang
kirim.
Punya saya. Okay,
ini ya.
Okay. Ya.
Sir, could you please share us the material from yesterday's Zoom class?
Yes, from yesterday, sir.
Yes, I will send it to you.
Yes.
I will send it to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Aku save dulu nih. Aku save semua. Thank you.
Thank you, Mister.
Very much, right? Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So, thank you all we have.